Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. I'm here tonight at good old Morgan Road crossing. We should have ourselves a new ID for the CSX Old Main line, CSX M331, which is a combined auto rack and mixed freight train. You can see there's a light that's getting slightly bigger down there. That's the train over a mile away. I hope this becomes a regular on the Old Main because I certainly miss auto racks. And an auto rack with mixed freight in addition to Q372. Ooh. Boy, oh boy, is that something I would want to see. I have to get back a little bit. Here it is, guys. E 65, 2012, and 2704, and 999, and 3241, 367. My goodness, that's a lot of locomotives. Sorry about the darkness, guys. It's just raining and terrible. For westbound, my goodness, this thing is not wasting. Mark car. Interesting. What in the world? That is interesting. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me here at the tracks. Hope you enjoyed that video. I'm surprised. Thought there would be auto racks on this one.